Hey everybody, what's up? So we're gonna do a little tutorial on how to change out these interior lights. I've got one I'm working on here. There's the thing for Amazon. It's just got these little twist tabs in there. And as you can see, way brighter than the factory, eh? So it's one of the factory ones. All you do is like pull the old one out, and then you have that little tab right there. Stick it in, and you twist it, and then you put that cover back on there, and that's all you gotta do. This one, take the one screw out, and it's literally that easy. Now you have to get the ones that are round like that with that little like stick out kind of thing in there. Make sure this one works. Got it. Alright, I'll come back to you guys after I do them all. Okay, so this one was already LED, but you know, you can see the difference already. I mean, crazy. That literally took me not even 10 minutes to do. Those are the old bulbs. All those bulbs are still good, so I'll probably keep those, but that was super easy. And you can definitely see a lot more at night with these. So yeah, I highly recommend. I'll leave the Amazon link down in the description for y'all if you want to look at those. But yeah, there you go. See you guys next time.